Welcome back. It's day 28 of the 30-day meditation challenge. You may or may not know this about me, but I have been meditating for almost 50 years. I'll be 60 in a few months. And I was trained as a kid. In 1976, my parents had me trained in a technique called transcendental meditation. In the 70s, that's what all the celebrities were doing, and my parents were meditators. So they had me trained, and I took it really seriously, even as a kid, because I always wanted to be doing what the adults were doing. Over the years, the practice came and went, depending on what was going on in my life, but it was a consistent anchor that I would return to when I got overwhelmed or stressed or felt lost in life. So it's a practice I've used more than not for almost 50 years. When I was, I guess, around 30, it would have been around 1996, yeah, or 1997, I kind of really re engaged with meditation in a serious way and took a deep dive into the practice. So I sought out any and all information I could. I read every book I could find, and I learned from great teachers like Shakti Gawain and Wayne Dyer and Deepak Chopra and Eckhart Tolle. And in the late 90s, Eckhart Tolle's book, The Power of Now, came out. And I read that book and I was fascinated by it. And one thing that I have always remembered from that book, actually, I've probably read the book 3 times by now, but one thing that stood out to me and I always remember is this short exercise or this short practice that he would teach when you are learning to meditate or trying to figure out how to sit and kind of allow your mind to settle and allow your body to settle, especially if you have an active mind. Your mind gets active, distracted, or wanders away. And this simple little practice that he suggested in that book, it's a great suggestion, and I want you to try it today. So, what he suggests is that once you settle into meditation, you simply ask yourself mentally, I wonder what my next thought will be. And then you pause, you wait, you watch, you pay attention. And then when you're pummeled by thoughts or when you get distracted or whatever might happen in those moments, you just ask yourself again. So you're breathing and you're just trying to relax and you're working to bring yourself fully present into the present moment and truly engage with this meditation. So you just ask yourself again, I wonder what my next thought will be. And then you wait, you pay attention, you listen. Inevitably, thoughts will arise. So when they do, when that first one arises, just identify it, notice it, observe it. And what we're trying to do here is, believe it or not, no matter how active your mind is, there is a space between your thoughts. There's a gap between each thought. And when we sit in meditation, we're kind of trying to sink into that gap or kind of exist in that space. So it might be 1/1,000,000th of a nanosecond in the beginning. But trust me, if you stick with it and you practice, you can kind of play with that space or that gap. And eventually you'll be able to spend some time in that gap. And again, that's where the magic happens. That's where the benefits occur when you're able to sit still and do nothing. It's step 3 of my 3-step process, breathe, body, be. When you're in that gap, you're just being. Okay, this was a long intro, but I do want to try this exercise today. So I'll play a little soft music for us, and we'll settle in now. Go ahead and close our eyes down and take a couple of breaths, whatever helps you prepare yourself for the meditation. And I'm going to go away here for a couple of minutes so we can practice this. When you get settled in, just ask yourself, I wonder what my next thought will be. And then wait and see what happens. And you're just going to do that over and over again until you hear my voice again. Please relax, be playful, just have a free and easy approach to this experiment, and let's see how it goes. And in a couple of minutes, you'll hear my voice again, and I'll do the big wrap up. Enjoy. Let's begin to slowly ease ourselves out of this meditation. Take your time right here where you are. There's no rush to open your eyes. There's no rush to come back to the world. If you're enjoying this, turn me off and stay in it. You're welcome to do that. If you're ready to wrap it up, then maybe take a nice breath, and when you feel ready, you can open your eyes, slowly bringing your awareness back to your surroundings. Oh, I wish we could chat here. I think we would have a nice little talk about how that went. And if it didn't go well for you, or if it was frustrating, that's okay. There's really nothing that's supposed to happen. We're just practicing. Remember, that's what meditation is. It's a practice. You'll never get it right. You'll never get it done. It's a practice. As always, I really do appreciate you. Without you being here, I wouldn't be able to do this. If nobody was listening, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing. And I love what I'm doing, so thank you. And I will be back tomorrow. We only have 2 more days before we wrap up the entire challenge, so I hope you'll come back tomorrow. Bye for now.